So, are you one of those who have already gained an understanding in programming and now you are looking forward to learn object-oriented programming? If so, then you are at the right spot. Hello everyone, welcome to this quick and interactive session of object-oriented programming. Today we'll focus on two fundamental concepts of object-oriented programming, classes and objects. Now, what is a class? A class is a blueprint or a template from which objects are created. So it defines the structure and behavior of an object. Now, for example, consider a class called car. It can have properties like color, make, model, variant, and it can perform actions like start, stop, turn right, turn left, and so on. And then what is an object? An object is an instance or an individual creation of a class. Now going back to our car example, an object can be a specific car like Honda Civic, Toyota Corolla, and many more. Each object has its unique properties and each object can perform the same actions or methods like other objects of same class can do. Now take a look at this practical demonstration. So here I'm using vegetable as a class and I have declared two properties here which are name and price. Okay, so you may ask what is this init method? Init is a constructor and it is used to create objects. And now you may ask that what is a constructor? Well, that's a topic for another day. Now I have created only one method here which is display info. It will display the information any object of this class will have. Okay, so I've just written two print statements here of name and price. So now I'm creating an object. So caret is equals to, now I will place the constructor here of which is the name of this class. Okay, so and now I will write whatever parameter in this constructor, name and price. So I will write arguments here about it. Name would be like carrot and comma. I will use 150 rupees per kg. And now let me create another object of like onion. I will do the same thing. Let me copy it. I will just change the name here and will just change the price here. So now we have two objects. One is carrot, one is onion. In carrot, we have name carrot and price 150. And in onions, we have name onion and price is 120. Okay, so now if I run this code, okay, so nothing has happened because I haven't used the method here. So now if I use the method here, carrot dot display info, and I will use onion here, onion dot display info. Okay, so now hoping that it would print the price and names of both the objects. So now I have run this and now we can see name carrot price 150 rupees per unit and name onion price 120 rupees per unit. Now if I want to use any other method with these objects which belongs to the class vegetable, so I couldn't use it because the method wouldn't be present in this class. Okay, and similarly if I want to use any other object which belongs to any other class with this method, then still it would end up in errors. Now consider your favorite food as a class. Now what properties it can have and what actions it can do, let me know in the comment section. That's it for today. To recap, a class is a blueprint or template from which objects are created, and object is a specific or unique creation of a class. It can be in a specific car like I told. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you like this type of content, then keep following.